How to turn off replay on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off replay on Snapchat. So let us get started. First, open up your Snapchat. After you do so, just click a snap. After you do that, you will see the timer icon on the right hand side. Tap on it. Now here, what you can do is simply set the timer to 1 second and that will limit the replay time. So you cannot actually turn off the replay or at all. So what you can do is limit the replay time. Now just send the story, send the snap, and after you send the snap, they can just replay it, but they will see it for a second. Now, the feature that allows you to turn off replay is only available for the Snapchat Plus. So you can simply buy this and, turn off your replay. And that is basically how you do it, guys. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.